30 years of Corporation of America represents 30 years of failed public policy, in that it's when we've monetized incarceration, we're not looking at how we can have healthier and safer communities. We're putting in another agenda there, and that agenda diverts resources that we could be using to make our communities safer, healthier, and quite honestly more affordable for taxpayers. So I think when we think about private prisons and Corporation of America spending, now in 30 years, we should also think about like what the priorities of our states are, and that's really 30 years of education being undercut. That's 30 years of transportation being cut. That's 30 years of local community economic development that could be done in our states. And that really as our state budgets tighten, we have to get more and more serious about how our limited resources are being used.